Good afternoon, TikTok and YouTube, and this is also for YouTube and for TikTok viewers. Today we're gonna do a blind taste from all the weird snacks we find, like Wildcat, chocolate cake, this one, oh sorry, this one I'll show closer. This next one, I'm talking English. Please like and follow. Education make you hungry, grab a snack. And double caramel, like a popper in your mouth. And remember who's your forever boca, and chips and energy drink. Very calorie what I need because I sleep a lot. And get your snacks, food. I'm gonna first need energy because I sleep a lot. Vitamin BC, Wildcat, caffeine. This is for grown-ups. I'm gonna try it. Wildcat energy drink Lion. Here we go. It tastes like fruit punch and berry. That's very good. Another taste. Try the Pick n Pay new edition biltong. Peanuts, like peanuts butter when you put it on a sandwich. Smell. Open it with. Look inside. Camera make you hungry. Gonna do it like this when you eat at a bar or a game. Gonna put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's now this again. Wash it down, flavor. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Pick n Pay, recommend. Chips also. We're gonna go with this. Look in the back, look in the phone. I'm gonna use the back. Wynand van Wyk, let's go. Subscribe. This video is for Eric WOW. Lemon and orange. Large lemons. Eric doesn't like it. He's gonna do it. This is for him and the viewers.